Imagine sipping your morning coffee and realizing you've made $400 overnight, without putting in hours of hard work or needing any advanced skills. Sounds too good to be true? In this video, I'm going to show you how a simple AI-powered side hustle can bring in serious cash, with minimal effort on your part. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for an easy way to increase your income, stay tuned. I'll walk you through the steps to start making money today with this lazy but effective method. So, what exactly is this lazy AI side hustle all about? Well, it's all about working smarter, not harder. Think about all those freelance gigs out there, writing blog posts, creating graphics, editing videos, managing social media. That's where AI swoops in to save the day. Instead of you slaving away at these tasks, AI tools can do them for you, often faster and sometimes even better than a human could. The beauty of this side hustle is that you're not being replaced. You're becoming the manager, the orchestrator, the AI whisperer. You set the price, you manage the projects, and you rake in the profits. It's like having an army of super efficient robots working for you 24/7. Except these robots are digital and don't require health insurance. You don't need to be a coding whiz or a design guru. If you can use a computer and have a basic understanding of how to navigate the internet, you've got everything you need to get started. Alright, let's break down the first way you can start making that sweet AI cash content creation. Now, content is king online, right? Every website, blog, and social media account needs engaging, well-written content to attract viewers and keep them coming back for more. That's where AI writing tools come in. These magical programs can whip up blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, you name it, all in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. Imagine this. A client needs 5 blog posts a week for their website. You input some keywords, some basic information into your trusty AI writing tool, and boom, in a few hours you've got 5 polished, engaging blog posts ready to go. That's $250 for a few hours of work, mostly spent just giving the AI some direction. And the beauty of it is, you can scale this up like crazy. Find more clients, charge more per post as you gain experience, and you can easily turn this into a full-time income stream. Think of it like having a super fast writing assistant. You still need to do some editing and fine-tuning, but the bulk of the work is done for you. Let's talk design, because in the online world, looks matter. A killer logo, eye-catching graphics for social media, and visually appealing websites are crucial for any business or brand looking to stand out from the crowd. Enter AI design tools. These bad boys can whip up professional-looking logos, social media graphics, website banners, even entire presentations, all with just a few clicks. You don't need any prior design experience, just a basic understanding of what looks good and what doesn't. Think about it. A small business owner needs a new logo for their website. You hop onto your AI design platform, input some basic information about their brand, choose from a selection of templates and styles, and boom! Within minutes, you've got a handful of logo options to present to your client. The possibilities are practically endless, and the best part is, you can charge a premium for these services because, let's face it, good design is valuable. Number 3, AI video editing, your secret weapon for easy money. Now let's talk video, the undisputed king of content. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, video is everywhere these days, and businesses are scrambling to get in on the action. But video editing? That's a whole other beast. But fear not, my friends, because AI video editing tools are here to save the day and your sanity. These tools can automatically transcribe your videos, add captions, create subtitles, even edit your footage together based on your instructions. Imagine being able to edit a 10-minute video down to a snappy 60-second clip for social media in a matter of minutes. That's the power of AI. Small businesses, YouTubers, even social media influencers are constantly on the lookout for affordable, efficient video editing. The more you learn, the more valuable your skills become, and the more you can charge. Number 4, automating your way to riches with AI marketing. Now let's step it up a notch and talk about AI-powered marketing automation. This is where things get really interesting, and potentially very lucrative. See, businesses live and breathe by their marketing efforts. They need to reach their target audience, nurture leads, and ultimately convert those leads into paying customers. But managing all those emails, ad campaigns, and social media posts can be a full-time job in itself. That's where you come in, armed with the power of AI marketing automation tools. These tools can handle everything from sending out personalized email sequences to optimizing ad campaigns for maximum ROI. all while you sit back, relax, and watch the leads roll in. As you gain more clients and experience, you can scale this up to a full-blown marketing agency, all powered by the magic of AI. Number 5. Passive income on autopilot selling AI-generated digital products. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate lazy way to make money with AI, look no further than selling AI-generated digital products. This is the holy grail of passive income. Create once, sell forever. AI tools can now create stunning digital artwork, write compelling ebooks, design eye-catching templates, and even generate personalized planners. Once you have your products created, it's just a matter of listing them online and watching the sales roll in. Number 6. The AI side hustle power move, combining services. Alright, here's a pro tip to maximize your earnings with this lazy AI side hustle. Combine multiple services. Don't just offer content writing, design, or video editing separately. Package them together as irresistible bundles that clients can't resist. Instead of just offering to write the website copy, why not offer a complete package that includes design, content, and even basic SEO optimization? You can charge a premium for this all-in-one solution. The more value you offer, the more you can charge, and the more money you'll make. The key is to position yourself as the expert, the one who can handle it all, and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. And there you have it. Lazy AI side hustle ideas that can help you make $400 a day, and the best part is that you don't need to do the heavy lifting. With the right tools and platforms, you can automate tasks and deliver high-quality results to clients. Embrace the power of AI, leverage these lazy side hustle ideas, and start building the life you deserve. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Money Mindset, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more ways to make money online. See you in the next video.